Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to get the indicators replaced with an LED one. So this is what I got. Ordered this from AliExpress, and what we have done is removed, but there is a big hole. So what we have done is we have purchased an extra rings. The rings are like this. I'll show you. These are the ring spicers. So if you fill the gap over here, you can see. And extra bolt for packing from inside. Extra bolts. And to not look very odd, what we are doing, we are going to paint this with a spray paint. So mostly this is the spray paint. You can see over here it's a black, and this is a normal one, and it's a painted. So let it dry for some few minutes till time we will get the wiring done. So what we have done is we have extended the wiring because the original wiring is very short. So you can look over here. External wiring we are done, and now we will try fitting one of this. Hope it succeeds. Here comes the washer in this side. The washer also needs painted, but we'll get it done later. So here it is, pull tight. And now what we'll do, put this inside this groove. So here it is, inside the groove, and from the opposite side. And you are putting one more washer on the opposite side, and here it will go like this. Somewhat like this. Let me put it and show it to you. So it's like this now. You can see, actually looking wonderful. And we have put a wire over here, single wire, so that you can pull it from the upper side. This is. So we will tie this wire to this and put it upside. Here it is come. Let's try and check. So these are the 2 points, and let's check the lights over here. So it's not working, so we have to put the wire opposite side. So let's fix this one and the other two. So let me put the other side. So over here. So original one. This is the aftermarket fitting. And the right side, which just fitted right now. So let's now do the front side also, and I will show you. So guys, finally it's done. So let me show you. So it's combination. So right hand side. The speed is little high than a normal one. Actually the left side.